Today we got a REED test pump driven by a cordless drill. We're going to use it to hydrostatically test the standpipe and one floor of a sprinkler system at a local facility in Erie. Connect the water supply from the outside spigot, domestic water, to the inlet of the pump, garden hose connection, and then take the high pressure hose for the discharge of the pump. Connect it. It's a quick coupler. Looks a very nice, easy, quick connection. Then connect the other end to a 3/8 threaded connection to the test connection on the sprinkler standpipe. Tighten the garden hose on the inlet side of the pump, and the hose has a slight leak in it. We'll turn the pressure hose on and introduce water downstream. Okay, standpipe currently has about 58 pounds of pressure on it, which should be city water pressure. We'll open the valve to introduce water from the pump into the system. So the same pressure on either side of the pump at this point. We'll go ahead and hook the drill up to the pump and charge the standpipe and start pressurizing it. Open the control valve for the first floor, and we'll continue to pump that on up to the 200 pounds. You're gaining about a pound a minute on the system with the amount of pipe that's here. A pound a minute is quite impressive for a small portable pump. NFPA requires that a sprinkler system be tested at a minimum of 200 pounds for 2 hours. So with that device, we can run with a cordless drill in a better setting or remote setting to get that 200-pound test required. Lightweight, portable, it doesn't require temporary or permanent power. You can run it off of a cordless drill. It's a great idea.